will talk about the hair fall solutions. Hair fall के reasons क्या हैं, what are the causes and what is the type and how it happens. I will talk about it. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं what is hair fall. Hair fall is nothing. It is a shedding of involuntary fall of your hairs, and it happens. I think every houses. Every fourth person is struggling with the hair fall. Correct. So what are the major reasons because of the hair fall happens is lifestyle, stress, pollutions, food adulterations, and hormones because of the abnormal hormones or some hormonal issues, or excessive bleeding if it is happening, or any medication if you are taking. Of course, age is one of the major factor, or also last not the least is nutritional deficiency. Okay, and what are the types of the hair fall? There's a different types of the hair fall is like it comes in the breakage forms, in the tukdo mein aana, or if all this full strand of the hairs comes, and third, density or thinning of the hairs. Last not the least is the baldness. So baldness का तो hair follicles is totally dead. If hair follicle पूरे dead हो जाते हैं, it's very difficult to get the hair regrowth. But definitely I can talk about the solutions regarding the density, thinning of the. So most important is what I was talking about, the stress, pollutions, food adulterations, lifestyles and all those things. For this nutritional deficiency, it leads to nutritional deficiency definitely. तो न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसी को ओवरकम करना पड़ेगा, और आपके खाने में, इन योर फूड, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द व्हाट ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर कमिंग. एंड आई एम वेरी सैड टू से दैट इन टुडेज एरा इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट नेचुरल एंड ऑर्गेनिक फूड. इमेजिन करिए 40-50 years बैक, हाउ वाज योर लाइफ? जो खाते थे वो लगता था और nothing happens. The diseases was not too much. Now everything is so hygienic and very looks pure and good, but then अगर आप if you talk about the nutrition, it's a big time deficiency. Correct? So nowadays nutrition deficiency is everywhere in all the food, and we always take care of the feeling of the stomach. We never think about the nutrition, about the food. Correct? So nutrition deficiency इस चीज़ को ओवरकम करने में बहुत हेल्प करती है. In females, maximum time hair fall is happening because of the periods problem, PCOD, hormones and stress and lifestyle. But in males, of course, male hormone is about one more androgen, that is again male hormone, that is DHT. DHT is nothing, it's a dihydrotestosterone. It's a male hormone. What happens during the age because of your high secretion of any hormones, DHT secretion ज़्यादा होने लग जाता है, और DHT secretion if happens more, it leads to the hair fall. So that's what in the market lots of the products comes which talk about the DHT blockers. I don't know how far it can help, but of course in the food you can take care of the DHT. You can reduce the DHT value in your body. What are the food, superfoods you can say? Lycopene rich foods. Lycopene is a phytonutrient. It is a plant pigment. It is a red plant pigment. Okay. So lycopene rich foods कौन से? Tomato, carrot, watermelon, specifically all the red foods. Okay, and it helps for reducing the DHT. Second is biotin rich foods. Lots of people take biotin tablets also, but if you want to add biotin in your food, you can add supplements, but you have to check the which supplement, because choosing the supplement is also very important. So I can talk about the biotin superfoods, the biotin rich foods which can help you, like berry or cherry berries and legumes, and also omega-3 like fish oils. You can talk about, you can take it to reduce your DHT. Now in the hair fall, the hair strand is connected to the scalp through the keratin bond. Correct? Keratin bond. So this keratin is nothing, it's a protein. So of course you can increase the protein in your food. That is also very essential to have a strong creatine bond so that it can help you prevention of the hair fall. So these are the basic hints. You should take care of some inner nourishment and external nourishment. You can get back to me for more details, and I can help you definitely for the hair fall, and I can give you some good solutions which you can help you in this regard. Thank you. Bye bye.